dollars for my car, for my bike, for everything. Just a few more dollars. A warm welcome to the episode and to Southern England. Just had Easter, of course, and now we're expecting good weather. And as you can see, I think, my estimation, another 3 weeks, but it will be top notch. Right, you want a top notch job, takes time, but you've got to do it properly.
Like it?
Oh yeah!
Yeah. Rebuilding an eyelet. It's flogged out. See how it's loose? It's loose in the hole. And here we are on now. We're on now the eyelets of the door ram. Not the... Those ones are hinges. These are the eyelets of the door ram. Now these are a bit egged out. Some of them about 4 millimeters too big. So you got too much play. So I've got a piece of copper here to stop the weld going through. It doesn't matter if it goes through, but we want it on the edge. So I'm going to weld this surface here, and then I'm going to buff it. We want it 120 millimeters. That's what I've got to get to. Yep. Bush skills, yep. Bush skills. Like if you're in the outback, you need to do a good job. Sometimes you have little amount of resources, you still do a good job though. Just finished welding, see? Welding the eyelet. See in there? I'll give it a clean now, I'll clean its teeth, and I'll show you. Using a grinder, cleaning it out. We just got the gauge. It took a while coming, I couldn't finish the eyelet on both sides because I didn't have a gauge, and the other one's at 30 kilos, so I'll lift this one, and that there is 118, there is 119, here's 120. So then I put it in, it's 118, and I keep grinding to 119, 120, and then I can fit the brand new wrist pins that are over there. I'm just heading down, there's the authorities, driving standards. Whoa, so driving standard. I'm just at the port of Dover here, and I'm going up. See the big ramp up there? That's how we cross over, and I'm heading direction of to Canterbury. And see here, we go up a big bridge, and this is the port of Dover, you know. The reason why I say Dover, because it goes to the French place. And there's the cliffs, the famous white cliffs. And there's the port. Motorbikes. Oh, nice, look at that. Direction Canterbury, yet I'm not going to see the Archbishop of Canterbury. He needs to come and visit me.
Like it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Come on.
Subscribe.
And this exit, you blink and you miss it. Blink and you miss it, and it's on a motorway too. Whoa, it's a quick exit. Most times I've missed it. Show them hydraulics. There, see? That's their yard. This is what I'm delivering with the pin, and probably see there. See, it's worn 2mm there, so 2mm there, 2mm there. So it's really flogged out. So we want half a dozen of these. And believe it or not, I can hardly lift it. Here I am working on this under here. There it is there. I've cleaned it up, 3 hours to cut the weld out. And not an easy spot to get at. Have a look. There. So this is the door arm. Yeah, neat. And that's what it looks like. I'm dressed up and just want to show you the welds underneath the cradle arms of the doors. These are the doors that crush the car from the side. So I'll show you. So they're the doors there. They're the doors there that come in and out and they crush together. It's a big door there and a smaller door here. And they have that hinge pin there underneath, and that was cracked off. So I re-welded it. There's my weld. Pretty good looking, isn't it? Eh? Who would have thought, eh? Who would have thought? And so I did the other one as well. Cleaned it up. Very presentable. The main thing is got to be strong. Got to be strong. Be strong. It's got to be strong. And these eyelets here were flogged out. Here, down here. They were flogged out. Remember I showed you and I welded them up. And there they are there. That's that one. And this one. And they're all buffed out, all hand done. All hand done just with a grinder and a flap disc. And now I'll fit the pin. She's a heavy donkey. Oh, jeez. I'll just knock it in. This is the fit that we want. There we have it. Bingo pop. Thanks for watching, guys.
Come on.
Subscribe.